Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Curtis here. A little tool review for you guys. The new Icon R2QR. It's a 3/8 drive ratchet. It is 9 1/16 inches long and 1.25 inches wide. I went ahead and cut the tape on the bottom of it, but I haven't really opened it. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. And this is not going to be a review, this is just going to be an unboxing today. I will take it to work and then do a review from there in a couple weeks when I have some personal opinions about it. But, alright, box off. This is what we got inside. Looks like there is some kind of, like a cleaning cloth. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, you're getting all bouncy on me now. Image stabilization there. But, yeah, that's what it is. It's just like a cleaning cloth. Alright, here's our ratchet. Nice chrome, you know, standard length. I wouldn't say standard length, it's still a longer ratchet, but it has the regular handle. No uncomfortable ass. Comfort grip handle that these Harbor Freight ratchets come with. I like comfort grip handles from Snap-on. Cornwells are nice. I'm not going to say the greatest, but they're nice. But standard 90-tooth ratchet. Let's see what it says on the back here. 90-tooth gear to gear. Polished chrome. Low profile head. I mean, looking at this thing, other than a few differences on the handle, just kind of from here up reminds me of a Snap-on ratchet, but it's not perfect. You know, you can see me in the, see my computer going on back here and about. There it went. But yeah, it seems like all right so far. I mean, it's not the greatest thing. I'm going to get some of their stuff and try out. I want to look at their ratcheting wrenches. I checked out their toolboxes, and it looks a lot like a Snap-on box to me. A third of the price, but I'm going to buy a Snap-on box. But here's their little cleaning cloth. It's got Icon written on it. You know, no big deal. Just like cleaning, I guess, your glasses. That'd be the easiest way for me to explain it. Clean off your glasses, you clean off your ratchet. I don't know why anyone who actually polishes their ratchets. Because guess what? They're going to get dirty in about 2 seconds once I get it to work. I'd say this would be about my average length ratchet. I have the F80 3/8 drive from Snap-on. It's about, you know, it's about that long-ish. Then I have FHL80, the long-handled comfort grip 80-tooth ratchet. So this is kind of in between. I was looking for the flex head, but every time I get into the store, they never have the fucking thing because it's always sold out or it's not released yet. I'm not sure which, but I couldn't tell you. In my personal opinion, I really don't care. I ordered it online if I wanted that bad, but so yeah, here we go. Oh shit! Hit the fucking TV stand that you're sitting on. But yeah, it seems chrome seems nice. I mean, the engraving on it seems nice. It's not backwards like most of the Snap-on most of the Harbor Freight ratchets. So off is off, on is on. I know, like their Pittsburgh Pro ones I have. That's on and that's off, which is not okay because it's confusing. Sometimes, you know, you get your hands down in there, you're used to a Snap-on ratchet. You go down in, you stick your hand down in, you go to flip that switch to off, and it's like, and the fucker's tightening, and you're like, what the fuck? That's my personal opinion on it. But yeah, guys, I'll get you a review on this bad boy. Actually, you know what? Let's see if there's anything else for chance in here. Any stupid reason. Highly doubt it, but it should just be the... Well, it looks like something should be down in here. There's a square cutout in here. You know, because your ratchet sits in here like this. Unless they're expecting you to have like giant gorilla hands. And 3 fingers in there. Plenty enough to get that fucking thing out. It's not in there awful tight, so you can literally 1 finger. Wow, there. So I'm wondering what that's for. I was looking at their 3/8 drive. Next tool I might be getting from them is their 3/8 drive torque spits. T27, 30, 40, 45, 15, 55. Only because my set T30 and T27 are in a 1/4 inch drive. Most of the time I need it is in 3/8. So it'd be nice to have that set in a 3/8 instead of a 1/4 inch. Well, I have a Cornwall kit. And, well, I don't know why I keep going on, but alright, guys. That's the end of the video here, and I will see you guys the next time. Peace.